Everybody, Jim Malone here from Dallas Trading Floor. Well, Nvidia as of late has been really making a move, and it moved above its buy point at 505, and now it's almost at 600. There's an interesting thing that you can do here, and actually I'm doing. It's called a poor man's covered call. Now, we expect the price of Nvidia to move above 600. I want to show you this chart. As you can see on this intraday chart, you can see there's some resistance right here at 600. This was the chart as of today. You'll notice there's increasing buying interest and volume. Now, the beginning of today, Nvidia stock, of course, pulled way down, and then it started to drift up again. The resistance is right here at 600. If it moves above 600, it's likely to move in a range from about 600 to 700. That's based on the model that I have. As you can see by this 1 month graph, Nvidia has been making a move steadily higher, starting at right about the first of the year at right below 500. As you can see the definite resistance there. It moved up down below that, and then when it broke through that 505, it started to move up. Now, I see the second area of resistance at about 600. So today it closed at 598.73. So if it breaks through this, it's likely to move into a higher range. You'll notice from this graph that there has been upward pressure on this share, on these shares, really since the beginning of 2023, believe it or not. And it's been moving up in a very, very strong direction ever since. It passed through its first real resistance at about 315, and then it moved above that. Then it consolidated from about 400 to 500, and then, of course, as we said, it then moved above the buy point at 505. So I do expect that now that it's hit 600, it's going to make an attempt to move above 600, between 600 and 700. The last few weeks, I've been taking advantage of this potential move by doing covered calls, basically buying 100 shares of the stock, then selling a call option with a very short expiration, typically a week. And that's been a successful strategy. But the problem with that strategy, of course, is that the amount of money that you have to have in order to do the strategy. So here's another way that you can benefit from a covered call like option pair. And this one is a lot less expensive. For instance, this one is only, this gives you a very good run on the potential price increase, and it's only $36.26 out of pocket. Now here's what is required. You first sell a 605 call. This is a February 16th call, and I'm guessing that you're going to get about $1,927. Then simultaneously you buy a 550 call at $555.53. Now with this with this particular pair, this protects you down to about 505. So as long as the stock stays above 550, you'll be fine in this trade. If it goes below 550, you should close the trade. As you can see, the break even on this one is $586. So by the end of the trade, by February 16th, you want to hold this open as long as the price of Nvidia remains above $586. Potentially on this one, you can get a return of about $1,874 if Nvidia is at 605 at February 16th or thereafter. So this is a very interesting way to do a call. It's called a poor man's covered call. Thanks for taking a look at this short video. You can see other videos that I've made on trades that I have right now at www.Dallas Trading Floor. I'm also on YouTube, youtube.com/Dallas Trading Floor. Hope to see you back here again.